Hello, in this video I will try to see what is what we call running stops. I don't know if you have heard about this running stops. What does it mean? It means, suppose that you buy a stock, let's say $10, and each day it goes up, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up, like this. Just an example. Now it is $50. Okay? It goes for example, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, from 10 to. So a lot of people, they make too much money, but some people, some traders, they enter here at 10, some they enter, for example, at 20, some at 30, some at 40. Now, most of the people that they are in this stock, they put lot, what we call stop loss. Okay? Some are, for example, 50, some will put 48 here. Some they put at 30, some they put at 20, some they put 15. Okay? Now, this is the stop loss. It means if the stock goes down, there is a problem in the stock, it goes down. When it is 48, some of the people, they don't like to lose more than this, from 50 to 58, $2 each share. So they exit the trade. They say, okay, we stop here, we don't want to lose more. Now, some they use 30 or 35, some 20, it depends on the people, okay? A person who buys at 10 and he is for the long run, he will put at 30 or 20, okay? Because he leaves the stock goes up and down, and it's going always down. Now, what is the problem with all this stop loss? Okay? The problem is that some, like in Nasdaq, which is the exchange, okay, some dealers, that they receive the orders to buy and to sell, what they do, one day they put down the price from 50, they can go into 48, 30, 20. Why they do that? Okay? Sometimes you see something like this. Okay, this is 50 here, this is 10, this is 50. You see like this. And here, for example, you see a spike which is down to $25, and then it goes, for example, it opens like here is like 40. For example, it begins like 50. Okay. Now it finishes as 52. The high is 55. Okay. And it goes to $25. You ask yourself, why is this spike going down like this? What did happen? No, in the media they are not interested. They are not interested in this because this is a trading thing, a trading problem. Okay? In the media, when you go to media, they don't speak too much about why the stock goes to 25. Although it was 50, it begins, for example, it opens with 50. Okay? So the media, the analysts, they are not interested in the trading. Now what they say, oh, it opens at 50, now it goes to 55, and now it's 52. So this is what the excitement. But they don't say this. Now, this here, when the spike go down, all the people, you know those dealers, what they do? At, for example, 48, someone who has thousands of shares. Now when he reaches the stop loss, the order become a market order, and he sold all his shares. Now he sold his shares to whom? To these dealers, because they want the cheap shares. Now if it goes to 25, do you see how much money from 25 to 52? Do you see how much money? So all this money, the dealers got them. Okay? That's why it's in trading. It's called running stops. These guys, they run the stops, all the stops, but the price is going up. It go down here. All the people, they sell here. Now these dealers, or they are called dealers or market makers, they buy their shares and they will sell them here. It means they don't keep these shares. Just in few minutes, in half an hour, in 1 hour, they buy, they sell, they buy, they sell, they buy, they sell. Okay? And they get huge tons of money. The day traders too. The floor traders, and in some exchanges like the NYC, they do the same. Okay, so this is what we call running stops. That's why some traders like this 25 here. Some traders, they don't use stop loss. Okay? But they are in the market. They put in their mind a stop loss in their mind, but they don't put it like an order. Okay? They don't put an order to sell if it reaches, for example, $48. They don't put it, okay, in their platform. They don't send the order. It says stop loss at 48. If it reaches 48, they will sell. No, they don't use that. They don't use a physical one. They put it in their mind, and they see and they are watching the stock. If it goes 48, and they decided before that they will sell, they will sell. Okay? If they see that it is just a game, they stop from selling. Okay? Maybe it will go up. So this is what we mean by running stops. That's why, please, if you are trading, like you are a position trader or a swing trader or day trader, if you are doing trading, you will see that there are a lot of things like this. So all these people, they sell and the other are buying, and then they will sell here just to make a very big profit. It happens sometimes in most of the stocks. Okay, so just to be cautious of these things that is going to the market. Like these things, you will never find, most of the time you will not find this online or something. You should read books, and you should follow the market in order to understand these things. If you have any question, please ask. Thank you very much.